I locked myself out of my car in Queens, New York, and Ron arrived within 15 minutes and provided a quick and courteous service. It was an awesome service and a busy weekend night, and I'm really grateful and I truly recommend Ron.
I found them on Google, and after checking out some of their amazing reviews, I gave them a call. And within 15 minutes, they were in my store and they had my door fixed. Thank you so much.
It was 3 a.m. On our very first day at our new apartment. My wife and I are huddled tightly outside on our patio, getting colder by the second. It's been 2 hours since we realized the door has closed and will not budge. We did not realize we could lock ourselves out with the sliding glass door. Luckily, a very nice neighbor noticed and called these guys for us. Within minutes, they were here and got us back inside. Very professional. I would recommend HomeRun Locksmith to anyone. They really came through.
Thank you, HomeRunLocksmith.com.